Today I'm going to share with you the 5 different types of social proof to use inside of your business. I'm Scott Oldford, and I want to make sure that you're able to attract and allow your potential customers to buy from you. The very first type of social proof is I did this. So that's the social proof where you have somebody that said, I downloaded this guide or I went to this webinar and it was good. It's kind of social proof around the fact that the value that you provide is actually good. With so much value out there, so many webinars and so many guides and so much information, people are kind of getting to the point where they're like, I don't even want any of the free stuff. I don't even want to look at this. It's really important to be able to allow others to know that the content that you produce, the value that you put out there is actually valuable. The second is so-and-so is good. You are good. Now, it's not actually a specific result, but a lot of the time you have the ability to have your customers or the people that you work with really kind of give almost a character profile. Now, this social proof isn't absolutely amazing because it doesn't say, oh, this person helped me do this. However, it is actually really influential to have a person on a page, such as a sales page, say, you know what, that person, this person's good and you should actually trust them. So that's the second type of social proof. Again, impactful, but not as impactful as the next. The third is your authority. You being featured in magazines and industry columns. For me, it's things like Entrepreneur, Inc., Forbes, Business Insider. For you, whatever is actually significant inside of your industry. See, the thing is that society and majority of our customers, they don't actually know how easy it is to get in these publications. And these publications really at the end of the day allow you to elevate your ability to show that you know what you're talking about. So on the pages when you see the Business Insider and Forbes and Inc. and all these different types of things that you're featured in, well, that automatically creates a level of trust with people that are just meeting you online, which is really important when someone automatically already don't trust you once they're clicking your Facebook ad. The fourth is social media proof. People actually commenting on your ads or commenting on your Facebook posts or commenting inside of your group. It's the ability for them to be able to very easily and very effectively see that you have customers. They're saying, you know what, this is my result. This is what happened. Now, it doesn't need to be a video. It doesn't need to be even a a case study. It just simply needs to be them saying, this is my result and this is what happened when that happened. And that's a really, really cool, interesting place to be because it's actually very organic social proof. It's someone being able to post and say, this was my experience working with this person. And then of course you can screenshot that, put it on your sales pages, put it in your ads, wherever it may be. And the last type, the best, are the video testimonials and the case studies. They're the ones where you show where the person was, you show the gap, and you show the specific result, the actual outcome. Now, I'm not actually a huge fan of social proof in general. My belief is that just because someone else did it, it has nothing to do with me. I have a unique situation. That's why I'm not a really huge fan of social proof as general. But it works, and we have the data to show that social proof allows for someone to make a decision faster, allows for someone to make a decision easier, and in your case, allows you to increase the amount of profitability from the sales that you're going to generate that perhaps you wouldn't before. So, take a look and utilize all 5 inside of your business for significant results. I'll see you next time. So if you enjoyed this content and you want more of it, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And if you want other entrepreneurs just like you to be able to also access this information, this knowledge, make sure you go ahead and share it with someone that means the most to you. Remember, as entrepreneurs, it's our job to be able to help other entrepreneurs continue to elevate, allowing us to evolve society and evolve our world. I'll see you next time. Bye.